Good morning everyone, we're in Southwest Sentosa now. And then we're searching Sea Aquarium, going to Sea Aquarium because we will avail our free tickets. So Sea Aquarium, best. Sea Aquarium is going there.
Hanggang 10 years old siya. 10 years old ka lahat eh. Umalis ako sa kanila. Kaya, ang akiyakan ng mga aking pamilya.
Sea Aquarium. We're going to see Aquarium, see the Resort World Sentosa today because Chinese New Year is coming. You see the very nice view here.
Apat na taon din ako doon.
Cupcakes, cookies, then. Sea Aquarium.
Ayan si Aquarium mo, ayan o.
Si Aquarium. Today we're here in Sentosa Island, Singapore. Resort World Sentosa, Resort World Sentosa. This is it. Because Chinese New Year is coming, that's why you can see colorful things here. Very nice flower. I love it. Waterfront. I love this. Very nice. Wow, there's fruits. There's fruits. Very nice. This is original fruits, lemon. Wow, the color is rare, green and white. This lemon, wow. Very nice. There's so many people resting here. My friends already here. The Universal Studio. Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year. They're still innovating. Very nice flowers. Love it. I love it here. So many tourists. Where's my friend? Waterfront. Resort World Sentosa. We're searching. Bess, here, welcome to see. We'll show our ticket. See Aquarium. Bess, hold your own ticket. Bess, wakan mo yung sayo. Welcome to Sea Aquarium. Sea Aquarium. Thank you. We're here. We're here. Hey. Oh, they're waiting. Sorry, it's very noisy. Sorry guys, it's very noisy because they're still innovating. I'm here in Singapore. Here guys, very nice place. So relaxing. The water blue. This is our ticket. Very nice place. You see the place, they're still innovating. You see? That is Vivo City, where we ride. You see the tram color purple. We are here, guys. The aquarium. Welcome to Resorts World Sentosa Island, Singapore. The opening is 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. You see the tram there going. You see the purple tram? There, we come from there. Oh, that one. They're innovating. Entrance, see aquarium. Bess, come here. Behind entrance, where's the here? See entrance aquarium. The aquarium. Good morning, everyone. We're here in Resorts World Sentosa Island, Singapore. Hi, good morning. Very nice. Happy New Year, Chinese New Year, everyone. Hi, say thank you. You see, they're innovating. It's a very nice place. We're going inside. This is a free ticket with my Bessie. Oh. We're going inside. Exit.
Entrance. Entrance.
Ma'am, excuse me. Sa aquarium?
You just go down the escalator.
Thank you.
Ayan lang may entrance na nakalagay.
Entrance. Kasi meron pumapasok din. Baka mamaya magkamali tayo. Sayang time. So we're going to see aquarium. See aquarium. Oh, wow! Wow! This is my first place. Thank you very much to the giver of this ticket. Free ticket. My best is 18 years in Singapore and I'm 12 years in Singapore. Yes? Is video allowed here? Is video allowed? Thank you for watching, guys. We're entering Sea Aquarium now. You see, there's this recycled bins. Explored the Blue Heaven entry. Yes, because this is under. Super ganda. I'm bringing you here in Sea Aquarium, Singapore. Welcome. You're welcome to this place. Hello. Hello. Wow, hello, good morning. Hello. She's Oh, what's that? Is that shark? Yeah. Oh, shark. Hump. Oh, zebra shark, best. Zebra shark. Oh, best. I like that this. Where is it? Oh, that one. That one. Oh, where is the zebra shark? Zebra shark. That one. We'll find it. We'll find it for you. Zebra shark. Hello. Hello. Ang laki ng mata. Hello. Oh, it's looking at us. You know, it's understand each other.
Marites siya masyado, Marites.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Hello.
Ang ganda.
Hello. Very nice. Oh, it's very cute. You see? I'm looking for the zebra shark. Where is it? Zebra shark, where are you?
Ayun.
Hello. Go there. Best. We go. We're looking for the zebra shark. There's so many people. There's so many people here. Oh, you see, very big. Where's my bonehead shark? Oh, then I saw this already. Where is it? Wow. Ayan, we eat that. There's so many. Where are you? There's no seaweed. Wow, pang-paksiw that one, no? Pang-paksiw yan, no? Kaya, di ba hinuhuli yun? Ayan, bes, pang-ihaw, bes. Ayan din. Pang-daing, bes, pang-daing. We're here already. Welcome, photo.
So this is for all. Just give me a try. Okay? This is
Okay, ma'am.
photo.
It's okay, no need.
Thank you. Welcome, photo, but we don't have money. Because later when you go out, you will clean. We don't have budget for that school of fish. Giant crab. Wow, what's this? Parang ano, yung nag-ano siya, bes, diba? Nag-close open.
Ayun na siya, ang ganda.
Wow.
Parang mga bulis sila, mga mangsi. Mga mangsi sila na isda.
Oh, here. I show you. One. It's very dark here. Wow. See. The seaweeds. Giant moray eel.
ang ganda.
Very nice. Take photo first. Spring in the sea.
Gusto na mermaid. Best, share mo ako dyan, best.
Give me your other phone.
Use your phone, ha? Dali. Saan ang bag mo? Dali. Ayun, ang ganda, oh. Dali, dali. Picture mo ako.
Eh, ilagay mo dyan sa bag mo. Wala akong space. Dali lang, dali lang. Oh, apurado. Picture lang eh. Bes, tingnan mo siya, oh. Bes, tingnan mo to. Bes, tingnan mo to. Hindi siya magalaw. Ayun, oh. Yung ulo niyang liit, pero laki ang katawan.
Kasi makalabas-labas.
Ay, para siyang ahas. Ahas, para sa pang-ahas.
Ay, naman ahas. Ayun ang katawan niya pa rin. Ano ba sa dulo, oh?
Oo.
Andun pa sa dulo yung katawan niya, oh.
Ay, ganda naman ito. Ay, come here. 11 pa lang pala, Bes? Ang haba niyo.
Kasi makalabas-labas, oh. Ganyan lang siya. Naka-stick lang siya dyan, oh. Ayun yung buntot niya, oh.
Ay, yung buntot.
Ayun pa, malaking ano. Bes, ayun pa ito. Bes, ayun po. Ayun po. Brown color. Ayun o.
Ayun o, iba-ibang kulay.
Nakita mo yung brown color?
Ito ang cute dito, hindi siya gumagalaw.
Nakita mo yung brown color ayun? Ano na?
Oo, yeah.
哇，这个好长啊！这个，看这里还有一条。妈妈，你快看！好喜欢。
Ang cute nito.
妈妈，你快看这个鱼，
Oh,
这个鱼好长。
hindi siya makagalaw, para siya snake, as in snakes talaga siya. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Diyan lang siya. Diyan lang siya naka-stuck. Ang haba, oh. Doon yung tail niya.
现在找到星月蝴蝶鱼，现在找到星月蝴蝶鱼。
Yan, maraming bata. No excuse. Oh, ganda. Seaside snacks. Hello, Octu. Wow, I like it. Oh, meron ako nito. How much this one? Oh, sorry. Sorry, turtle. Wow, cute. $28. I'm here in the souvenir section. In Sea Aquarium, Singapore. Very good trick for children. Ang cute. $19. Cute. Sea aquarium. Cute din siya. So soft.
Ada cumi-cumi sih.
Cute, cute.
Ini cumi-cumi.
Ay! Squid.
Kakak udah ada ini. Ini
Shark.
loh kak. Cannot find my favorite. Oh, this. Ah, cute siya. 2 for 15. Oh. 750 each. 15 each. Ang cute. You want to avail these souvenirs? Like this. The color. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. But when this one, when this one, just for. This one also cute. For 15, this one. Oh, very nice. Wow.
你们两个看一下啊。
Nice. This one white. This one is blue. Wow. Quite heavy. Lighter than.
还有这个。
Very nice. Or the pink one. Oh, there's also red and blue. Wow. Children love this. This one's soft. This one is like fabric.
I want this one.
Yeah, this fabric. This one is heavy. Nice. Tinatawag na ako. So they're cleaning. They do like this. They do it detailed. Every detail. You see, they use the house. Wow. You see. They're cleaning all that. Nice. Diyan na naman yung phone ko. Hello, we're here already outside. We're so quiet. And we're going out for lunch already. You see the blue clear water. The blue clear water here in Resort World Sentosa. Cable car. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Please subscribe on my channel. Please help me grow this channel, please. Thank you. That's cable car. Bye everyone. Stay blessed. Always remember you're so special.